Hey guys, welcome back to itsPriscillaMarie. Today I wanted to show you guys some of my monthly favorites, and I promise you it's not a lot, so it's gonna be a very quick one. So this month I did kind of try out a couple things here and there, but I kind of stayed. Basically, a majority of the stuff that I'm about to show you is new, except I believe two. So all of these things I did purchase this month. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump into it, to the most random thing ever. And that is the Need body strips. I already have the strips in my thing inside here. But these are basically to wax your legs, your underarms, and your bikini. I have not tried to wax my bikini with this because that hurts. But I have waxed my armpits multiple times with this, and also my legs. I have also used the Sally Hansen one, and that one hurts like hell. But this one is a tissue, so it does take out the hairs very, I don't want to say nicely, but nicely, and it hurts a lot less. So if you're interested in waxing your armpits or your legs or both, I would definitely recommend try these out. It hurts 1,000 times less than using like the Sally Hansen ones. I'm obsessed. I love them. Alright, so the next product is makeup remover. So I have been loving the Sephora collection cleansing oil in a balm, and it is a 3-flower waxes, clinically proven. Basically it's just a balm to cleanse your makeup. So I basically put my fingers in here and I do circular motions on my eyes and use a wipe it off, and then I go wash my face. I love it. It takes off everything, and it also doesn't leave my skin feeling dry. I would say this is a good dupe of my baby, which is the pharmacy green clean, I believe. But I absolutely love this one. It's a lot cheaper than the other one. I believe this one's about $18 to $20 from Sephora collection, but I do love it, and it lasts a really long time. I've had it honestly for almost 2 months already, and it's still more than halfway, and I use it all the time. So yeah. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and jump into something I actually was given to me by my husband. He gave me the Narcissist eyeshadow palette for Valentine's Day, and I am obsessed. This eyeshadow palette is so pretty. I am loving it. So it has 5 matte shades, 3 sheens, and 3 kind of metallic-y shades. They are so pretty and so pigmented. I'll probably be doing a makeup look on this coming soon, but I absolutely love it. I love NARS eyeshadows and blushes and stuff like that, so I really am so happy that he got me this for Valentine's Day. Go bae, 10 points for you. Alright, and then for blushes, let's get into blushes. Because I'm having a really big cup of coffee. Go Starbucks. Alright, so in my Boxycharm, I actually got this highlights. It's a blush, highlight, and bronzer, and it is the Dreamer kit from Pure Cosmetics. I have been loving this. They're so pigmented and so beautiful. I can't wait to start wearing this in the summer as well. But I am very happy that this came in Boxycharm. I'm loving it. Alright, so now let's go ahead and jump into probably everybody's favorite for this month, and it is the Anastasia Amrezy highlights. So I personally don't watch or follow Amrezy, but this highlight is absolutely life. Like, it's so freaking pretty. I thought that it was just a fuss because of who she is, but no. Like, are you kidding me? No, it's so pretty, and it is the formula that I personally do love in my highlights. One of my favorite highlights are actually Go to Honey from Laura Geller, and I also absolutely love the Makeup Forever 01 highlight, which is the gold shade, and I like more of that gel consistency, and this is that gel consistency. It gives you a blinding highlight without it looking like chunks of glitter. I love it. I really hope Anastasia keeps up the kind of formula. This one, because I personally prefer this one than her other ones, and I am loving this. I also have it in inner corners, my nose, and my Cupid's bow. Yeah. Alright, so the next 2 things are very boring because I'm pretty sure everybody and their mama has been loving this. But I recently bought them again, and I do have both of them on now, and one of them is a bronzer. Now I do have the normal, the first two that came out, I did have the deeper one already, but I finally got the deep bronze, and I am finally obsessed because this is one of my like perfect bronzing shade. It's very similar to the Makeup Forever Infusion one that I absolutely love, and I absolutely love the undertone. It's a very perfect neutral color. If you are olive skin tone, you need this in your life. It's perfect. I love it. Wish it wasn't so bulky, but I honestly think I'm going to depot this. Hopefully I don't break it like I normally do, but I love that. Alright, and then the other thing is the Burt's Bees blush with bamboo. It's blush with bamboo blush? That's literally what it says in the back. Anyways, but it is in toasted cinnamon. I know that there's another one that everybody loves and it's peach something, but I went to the store and I saw this color and I thought it was so, so pretty, and I am in love with a very warm blushes. I like my blushes to look like bronzers. My #1 top favorite ever is actually the Lorac one. But yeah, I have this on right now. Love it. It's so, so pretty. I really wish the packaging was a teeny tiny bit more, I guess you could say, heavy duty, because I feel like if I drop this, it's gonna break and I probably will cry because they're sold out of this, guys, like everywhere. But yeah, that was the shortest makeup products favorites ever. I do have one more favorite, so give me 1 second and I'll be right back. Alright, so this is going to be a random favorite, but I am loving my toothbrush. So this toothbrush is the Oral-B toothbrush, and it is an electronic toothbrush. Yeah. The only reason I'm mentioning this is because a lot of people do ask me how I get my teeth so white, considering that I do drink coffee on a daily basis or tea. Now, my husband and I were at Costco and we decided to just go ahead and purchase the two to just see what the fuss is about. And every day I feel like I go to the dentist because this stuff is amazing and it really, really leaves your teeth feeling so, so clean. It's so much easier than just brushing your teeth. When you brush your teeth with regular toothbrushes now, it just feels wrong. It just feels like I didn't brush my teeth properly. But I absolutely recommend you guys invest in one of these. They're amazing and I absolutely love this brush. It's bomb. Alright, so I know this previous video was probably all over the place, but I feel like I haven't really jumped on here and talked to you guys for a little bit, and I just wanted to share with you guys some of my favorites for the month of February that is over, and I can't wait till March starts because it gets closer and closer to my birthday and me going to Vegas. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. I love you guys oh so much, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Ciao.
The world won't stop, so we won't stop neither. Gotta go sunlight, and we face them with no fear. And it's always on my